Hi guys! Once again, welcome na naman po sa ating YouTube channel. And so, today, product content na naman po tayo ng ating bagong NWOW GB2. Ang specs niya guys, battery, 48 volts and 12 ampere. Battery type, lead acid, lithium. Charging time, 6 to 8 hours. Power, 4,000 watts, 400 watts. Millage, 45 kilometers. Maximum speed, 35 to 45 kilometers. Ang load na pwede niyang ikarga guys is 120 kilos. Ayan. So, ang kanyang SRP is 24,000 pesos. So, avail na kayo guys sa pinakamalapit na NWOW branches nationwide. Thank you!